Saitama Inu status and crypto market condition. How do you feel about the Saitama price will be going up or down in the wake of the introduction of the SaitaMask wallet? We'll discuss the price and other details in this article. We will also go to Twitter to discuss some information reported by Saitama official Saitama Twitter. Saitama Inu coin current price. The value of Saitama is currently at a low and the current price is at 7 zeros and 6 zeros. It's been bouncing over the past couple of days, particularly with the cryptocurrency market. The crypto market isn't going up and it's been down for the last few days. The crypto market condition. It's been a challenging market and Ethereum is trading at 3,200 at this moment. And it's going to be fascinating to see how Saitama reacts on Saturday and how other cryptos will react. The cryptos that will get listed in the SaitaMask wallet will react to receiving these listing. The listing might not occur at the time of the initial launch of the SaitaMask wallet. However, we will watching to learn more about that. It means that in the last 24 hours, daily volume was around $49 million traded on Uniswap. The number of the holders who are part of the Saitama Wolf Pack as per DEX tools. Finally, our market cap is 3.6 billion USD. The official Twitter account of Saitama Twitter for discussion about some of the news coming via the official Saitama Twitter account. Russell, Saitama CEO, tweeted and declared and that he is ready for launch and you will other token on SaitaMask. Also, we are discussing the various other projects and tokens that have a chance to be included on SaitaMask. Russell discussed several other projects. It could be that they are trying to apply for a listing in the SaitaMask wallet. He, CEO of SaitaMask, also said that developers could look over scores and identify tokens available on SaitaMask. We are working on the requests as quickly as possible and have received hundreds of them, but it's a long process. Send us an email and we will send you our contact information at saitamatoken.com. And remember to be patient. Now that we have got just a few hours to go, it will be interesting to observe how the price responds to this, since it is possible that some are waiting until right before the launch time to sell off, and maybe some buyers will make a big purchase. The app will be available as soon as it comes out. We don't have any information on the exact date, but it will certainly be fascinating to see what happens. The Saitama owners have been waiting for the SaitaMask app to launch. I believe it will be an excellent thing for the projects of future, and I am anticipating the other projects included on the SaitaMask.